Siddhi from Best of Beauty. So in today's video, I'm going to show all the dupes for Kylie Jenner's lip kit. So she has glosses as well as liquid lipstick. So I'm going to show all dupes for both because they are not available in India. So if you want to see the dupes, then please keep on watching. So first off, we are going to start off with the glosses. So she has 3 glosses in her range. The first one is called So Cute, the second one is called Literally, and the third one is called as Like. So I'm going to show all dupes for all of these 3. So the first one is called as So Cute, and the dupe for that is Chanel's lip gloss in the shade 56 Imaginaire, and this is what the packaging looks like. Obviously it's extremely sleek and luxurious because it's Chanel, and this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the applicator that you get with it. It's a nice peachy pink color. I'm just going to show all the hand swatch as well as the lip swatch in this video, so let's get started with that. So this is what the color looks like. This is what the color looks like on my lips. It's a nice pink color, and this is the swatch of it on my hand. Her second lip gloss shade is called as Literally, and the dupe for that is Faces Ultim Pro Lip Cream in the shade 07 Margarita Punch, and this is what the packaging looks like. As you can see, this color is more on the warmer side, and it's a nice nude for Indian skin tones. That's why I love this color. And this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. And this is the applicator that you get with it. So this is a swatch of it on my hand. As you can see, these are way more pigmented than the Chanel ones as well. So definitely give these a go because I got this on discount for around 350 bucks only. And this is what the Faces one looks like on my lips. This is the hand swatch and this is the lip swatch. The third shade in her lip gloss range is called as Like, and the dupe for that is L'Oreal's Infallible Lip Gloss in the shade Cream, and this is what the packaging looks like. So this is also very sleek and travel friendly. I love the packaging on this one, and these are newly launched in India, so definitely check this out. They have lots of colors in these as well, and this is the dupe that I found. This is the applicator, and this is perfect for applying lip gloss, so I love this. And this is the swatch of it on my hand. As you can see, this color is more on the mauve side, so this is like a nice mauvey pink kind of a color, and this is what it looks like on my hand. This is what the gloss looks like on my lips. These glosses are also really creamy, so I love that about them, and they are not quite sticky as well, so that's a great thing. So these are the 3 glosses, and I would definitely recommend you all checking out these 2 that are there. So this one from Faces and this one from L'Oreal that's there, because these 2 are really nice shades and they will definitely suit Indian skin tone. This one, I feel like the Chanel one that's there, I felt like I spent a lot of money and it wasn't like worth the price, but definitely check these 2 out. So yeah. So now let's start with the liquid lipstick, and the first liquid lipstick in our range is called as Coco K, and I'm going to show the dupes for that now. So the first one is actually a lip pencil, and this is from NYX, and this is their waterproof lip pencil in the shade Nude, and this is what it looks like. This is the color and the packaging, and these are retractable, so they are great to use. You don't have to sharpen them, so that's great, and I love that about lip liners because sharpening them can be a pain, so that's why. And this is what the color looks like. So this is a nice baby pink kind of a color, more on the nude side. So this is what it looks like. This is what the lip liner looks like on my lips. I feel like this is too light for my skin tone, but I just wanted to show all the dupes, so this is what it looks like. This is the swatch, hand swatch that's there, and this is what it looks like on my lips. So the next dupe is a new launch from Revlon, and this is their Ultra HD Matte Lip Color, and this is what it looks like. This is the packaging. I love the packaging on this one. It's so sleek, and this is what it looks like. These are new launches, so definitely check these out because they are matte lip colors again, and they are really creamy, so definitely check these out. And this is what the applicator looks like on these. I'm going to do a separate review on these as well, so stay tuned for that. And this is what that color looks like. So this is what the color looks like on my lips. So they don't dry fully matte, so they are like semi-matte finish. So, and this is what it looks like. So these were the dupes for Coco K, and these are the shades. Close up. Her next liquid lipstick is called as Candy K, and I'm going to show all the dupes for that now. So the first one is the lipstick, and this is what it looks like. It's from Sephora, and this is their lipstick in the shade number 5, and this is the packaging. So this is what the shade looks like. It's a nice rosy pink shade, and it looks really nice on the lips. And these lipsticks are extremely pigmented, and they are really creamy as well, and they stay for a really long time. So I love these. And this is the swatch of it on my hand. As you can see, look at that pigmentation. It's really amazing. And they smell like strawberry, so that's a plus point. And this is what it looks like. And this is what the color looks like on my lips. So I love this color, and it's really nice. You should definitely check this entire range out. They are from Sephora. And this is a swatch of it on my hand, and this is the lip swatch. The next dupe for Candy K is actually a lip liner, and this is from Estee Lauder. This is their double wear stay in place lip pencil in the shade 04 Rose. And this is what the packaging looks like. So again, this has to be nice packaging because it's Estee Lauder, and I love these pencils. They're extremely pigmented and they stay on your lips for a really long time. And this is a nice nude color, nude pink color. It's in the shade 04. You have the applicator on one end, and then you have the product on this side. So this is the swatch of the lip pencil on my hand. So as you can see, these are really pigmented and they're very smooth as well. So that's what I love about lip pencils, and especially this one from Estee Lauder. This is what the color looks like on my lips. So these lip pencils can be drying sometimes, but make sure that your lips are well moisturized before applying any of these products that are there. So these were the dupes for Candy K. So her next liquid lipstick is called as Dolce K. So let's start with the dupes now. So the first dupe for Dolce K is from Dinah of London, and this is their 2000 Kisses wonderful lipstick in the shade 18 Hazelnut, and this is what the packaging looks like. And this is the color. It's a nice corally brown shade. This is a nice nude shade as well. And this is the swatch of the Dinah of London liquid lipstick. So this is the lip swatch for the Dinah of London lipstick, and this is what it looks like. So as you can see, this lipstick has nice brown undertones, so it looks really nice on Indian skin tones. So definitely try this out as well. And this is the swatch of it on my hand. So the next one is a lip liner, and this is from Lakme, and this is their 9 to 5 lip liner in the shade Brick Rose, and this is what the packaging looks like. So as you can see, this is slightly close to the Dinah of London one, not perfectly identical. This is the best I could find, but this lip liner is the best, and you should have that in the collection for sure. So this is what the lip liner looks like on my lips. Also, all the lip products that I'm mentioning in this video are mentioned in the description box below with the links on where you can purchase them, so make sure you check that out. So the next dupe for Dolce K is Maybelline's lip gradation in the shade Mauve 1, and this is what the packaging looks like, and this is the swatch of it on my hand. So as you can see, this one is much closer to the lip liner as compared to the Dinah of London lipstick that I showed you all. So these lip gradation lipsticks that are there, they are also extremely pigmented and creamy, so you should definitely try these out as well. This is what the lip gradation looks like on my lips. So these are the dupes for Dolce K. So her next lip shade is called as Posy K, and the dupe for that is Stila Stay All Day liquid lipstick in the shade 03 Patina, and this is what the color looks like. These liquid lipsticks are extremely long lasting. The only problem with these is that they can dry out your lips, so make sure you prep your lips before using this. This is what the swatch looks like, it's a nice mauvey pink shade, and I love this. So this is the dupe for Posy K, Stila's liquid lipstick, and this is what it should look like on your lips. And this is the swatch of it on my hand. Her next lip shade is called as Mary Jo K, and it's a nice bright red color. So I'm going to show all the dupes for that now. So the first one is actually a lipstick, and this is from Revlon, and this is their super lustrous lipstick in the shade 725 Love That Red, and this is what it looks like. So the next dupe for Mary Jo K is from Revlon, and this is their Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the shade HD Love, and this is what it looks like. So the previous one that I showed you was in the shade HD Seduction, and this is what the swatch looks like on my hand. And this is what the lip color should look like. So these are the dupes for Mary Jo K. This one is from Revlon, and this is the Ultra Matte HD Lip Color, and this is their Super Lustrous Lip Color in the shade 725 Love That Red. So the next shade in the range is called as 22, and the dupes for that are, the first one is from LA Splash, and this is their liquid lipstick in the shade Till Midnight, and this is what the packaging looks like. and this is the swatch of it on my hand. So the next lipstick in her range is called as True Brown, and it's a brown lipstick, and the dupe for that is Maybelline's Color Sensational lip pencil in the shade 775 Copper Brown, and this is what the packaging looks like, and this is a brown lip pencil, and this is what the swatch looks like on my hand, and this is what the brown shade should look like. It's actually not bad. I thought that brown lip shade is going to look weird on my lips, but it's really not, and it really goes with my eye makeup as well, so I'm actually liking it. This pencil that's there only costed around 300 bucks, so I felt like if you're going for a color which is out of your comfort zone, you shouldn't spend a lot, so that's why I picked this one up. And this is the dupe for True Brown. So our next lipstick is called as Court K, and it's a purple color, and I couldn't find a purple lipstick, so I'm going to be mixing two lipsticks that are there. So the first one is from Sugar Cosmetics, and this is their Matte as Hell Crayon lipstick in the shade 03 Poison Ivy, and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to be mixing this with L'Oreal Paris Shine Caress lipstick in the shade 605 Eve, and this is what that one looks like. So I'm going to be mixing these two shades and creating that purple lip shade, and this is what it should look like after you mix the two lip shades. So these were the dupes for Court K, and this is the lip swatch. So yeah guys, these were the dupes for Kylie's Lip Kit, the glosses as well as the liquid lipsticks. I hope you like this video, and if you did, then please make sure to give this video a thumbs up and share it with all your friends who wanted to try these liquid lipsticks out. All the lip products that I've used in this video are mentioned in the description box below with the links on where you can purchase them, so make sure you check that out. And follow me on my social media, that is Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. The handle is bestofbeauty29. Also, if you have any doubts or queries with respect to anything, then make sure you leave a comment down below because I would love to help you guys out. And make sure you subscribe to my channel guys, so that you'll are notified as and when I upload a video, because I upload videos every single week. So make sure you hit the subscribe button right here. See you in the next one guys. Love you.